What is going on, you guys? It's Aviation400 here, and I'm back with another awesome model review. This is a model, the Aviation400 Delta Airlines A350-900. If you guys have gone back, remember, in a few videos, I think I stated it. This is a model I've been wanting. Actually, this is the longest awaited model in my opinion. I ordered this mod. Actually, there's a funny story with this model. So I pre-ordered this model, back in November. And on the retailer they said it would be coming in December, and then it got pushed back to February, and then again it got pushed back to I think March. And then I was like, okay, they keep pushing it back. So I'm not sure what's going on. And then I found out from a fellow commenter, apparently there was some issue going on. So I decided to cancel the order, but the order was already canceled because of that thing. So that was super unfortunate. I actually thought I wasn't going to get this model, if you guys remember. But our model store, I'm going to shout them out right now. I saw this model being back ordered or whatever on pre-order, and I picked it up right away because our model store apparently is an amazing company, and they are. I personally have bought 2 models. This is my second one, and had a fantastic experience with them so far. So far so good. Hopefully, I buy more from them as well. So what else is there to say? I pre-ordered this model, and then a week later it was released. So just nothing much, basic back. And the box is kind of beautiful. I love this blue shade. It's very gorgeous. So yeah, I'm so excited for this model. I think, if I am correct, I believe this is the longest waited model. This model is the only model so far I've waited the longest, and hopefully that remains. Hopefully it remains that, because I don't want to do that anymore. Usually I'm very patient, but I mean, from November to all the way to June, that's crazy. So I saw it in our model store, and I just picked it up right away. So let's get started. And yes, there's a stand also, and I'll show you if the stand works. Yes, it works or not. So yeah, that is one beautiful model. I'm gonna actually make, now I can finally make the comparison video between my Gemini Jets NG and the Aviation400 Delta A350. I have three of these models of this aircraft: the Gemini Jets, NG, and so this is an amazing model. Okay, so yeah, it's just so awesome. This is my 3rd Aviation400 model, so that's cool. So it's just an awesome model. The Delta A350 is one of my favorite aircraft. Sorry about that, I'm trying to adjust the camera, but I guess, yeah. It's just, the colors are a little bit off, I believe. I mean, the blue mostly. Yeah, it's a little off, but it shouldn't be that big of a deal. But it's just how the model has this realistic looking light here. That's literally I don't know what that is. Some plastic jewel or whatever just stuck in there. The same thing on the bottom. It's awesome. So yeah, it's legit an awesome model. Now the landing gear, they're supposed to roll, but I mean it doesn't roll that. I mean this gear does roll nicely, but these nose gear and the left landing gear doesn't really roll that nicely. And it does tilt. Yep, there we go. So that's good. So yeah, I'm just so excited for this model. The Delta A350 is really, in my opinion, a magnificent aircraft. I love the A350 in general, just the way it looks. I like the cockpit windows up here. in the front. And yeah, so all this detailing and everything. You got the American flag, November 503, Delta November. And it's crazy. I remember the Delta A350 being released like yesterday. Or like coming out like yesterday. It was awesome. I think February 2017, or I believe February, January, around there. Maybe later. 2017. I remember like yesterday, so it's crazy. Now Delta, I believe, has... Oh, the last time I checked was a while ago. I think last time I checked it was 15 aircraft. But yeah, we have the beautiful Rolls-Royce engines right there. And then if you go on the top, bottom, you have the magnificent Delta Airlines titles and logo on the belly. Very nice. The nose gear door, the main gear doors, all those antennas, that beacon light down here, or sorry, anti-collision light down there. Beacon light, or both. Flap slats, ailerons, spoilers, and the bottom of the wings, very beautiful detailing. Excellent model. The nose step markings, right there, top of the wings, you can see those flaps again. Antennas, I think that's a Setcom, this oval shaped thing. And then this is the Wi-Fi box, tail illumination lights, and yep, that beautiful like plastic gem. Very nice model. The mold is really awesome, and it's just a great model. I'm so happy to have it. Of course, the inside of the winglets, the special Delta design inside the Delta widget, and then outside Delta widget. So very awesome model, guys. If you can get it, I believe it's still in stock in Aram. So guys, go get it. Wait a second, guys. Hold on. Before I end the video, I recorded that section. I recorded in one section, like one shot, including the intro. But this clip here I'm putting it right in the middle or right before it ends, because I totally forgot. As soon as I recorded the video, I totally forgot to show you guys the stand like I said I would. And I usually realized in the past I forget a lot of these details, so my apologies, guys. So yes, so this is the stand. Now if you guys remember from my Aeroflot one, there was like a chunk here in the back part, so I couldn't put it through the stand. And then also, but now on this model it's in the front, so hopefully it works. So it kind of works. Okay, not really. That's how far it can go. It's actually really difficult. It might not look so... Yeah, I'm not gonna force it in there, but that's how far it goes. It's supposed to go all the way to that part. That's how far it goes. So that's a little unsecured, but not a big deal. And then if you go put this up here, now I'm gonna try to put the model onto the stand, and as expected, it does not go in because this is too big. Yeah, the piece where it goes inside the model, that's way too big. Not that big, but it will definitely not go in the hole. So that's a little unfortunate that the stand is not that good, but I don't really care, honestly. I don't really use stands much, so yeah, so it doesn't bother me. But if it bothers you, that could be an issue. But yeah, but anyways, that's it for this little segment. So let's get on with the outro. It's an awesome model. This is one of those A350s you should definitely get, in my opinion. It's just such a magnificent aircraft. I love the way it's designed. So yeah, that should be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, like, and share if you're new. Put in the comments below if you want this model. You can get it. For sure you can get it in our model store. If it's still there, I don't know exactly from the top of my head. But yeah, it's just such an amazing model, and I'm so happy to have it. So yeah, so that should be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, guys.